Hi everyone, welcome to another Ballet for tutorials. Today we have a special tutorial. This video has been sponsored by Energetiks. They are an Australian brand that owns amazing and great quality dance wear. I will encourage you to go down to the description of this video later after you finish the tutorial so you can check the link for these outfits and some others that I own that I'm in love with. So now let's get to the tutorial. We are going to learn La Fille Gardee Intermediate Advanced Level. Let's get to it. Okay, so we are going to begin in the center of the classroom or the stage, cross-leg, facing the left diagonal in front of you, left leg on the back, and your arms on the hips, no arms coordination yet. From here, my left leg is going to open petit développé to the side, and we are going to piqué over left leg to do a double frappé that ends facing the right diagonal. And from here, we're going to repeat the same, and we change this time to face left diagonal again in front of us. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, petit développé, double frappé to the right, double frappé to the left. From this position, which is a facet tendu with left leg in front, we are going to do a hopping attitude, passé, développé, tombé, and I'm going to have my left leg in coup de pied on the back. We do that one more time. Left leg is in tendu, effacé de bas, and left leg is going back to attitude, passé, développé. And we are going to do a tombé coup de pied on the back. And from there, we are going to do développé on point or demi-point. It depends how you're practicing this variation today. Développé, plié. So, after the hopping attitude, hopping passé, hopping développé, tombé, this left leg, which is the one that is on the back, is going to step on point and directly open to développé to the side, plié, coup de pied on the back, right leg on the back. And once we do that coup de pied on the back, we are going to do pas de bourrée and tournant. And this is going to be the first phrase of our variation, and we are going to repeat this 3 times, each time changing sides. Okay, let's do it from the beginning one more time, and we're going to repeat it slowly 1, 2, and 3 times. Hands on the hips. Classical pose, facing left diagonal, left leg on the back. 5, 6, 7, plié, double, plié, double, yeah, hoop, 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 tombé, développé, plié, pas de bourrée. Now we have our right leg in front, so we are going to open right leg and begins the double frappé with left leg facing the left side and continue to change to the right. We are going to hop over the right leg and my left leg is in attitude, passé, développé, tombé, développé with left leg to the side, tombé, good pied on the back, left leg, pas de bourrée, and tournant. And again we finish left leg in front and we begin the third time with left leg, which means same as the beginning. 1, 2, 3, tombé, développé, plié, pas de bourrée, and this time we stay in relevé. Okay, let's do everything from the beginning, repeating the phrase 3 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and double plié, double plié, attitude, passé, développé, tombé, développé to the side, plié, pas de bourrée, plié, open right leg, and left, right. Now, left leg is on the back, 1, 2, 3, tombé, développé with left leg, plié, coup de pied on the back, pas de bourrée and tournant, plié. We have left leg in front and open, right, left, 1, 2, 3, tombé, développé, plié, pas de bourrée, and stay in relevé. Now from this relevé, what we're going to do is pirouette continue from 5th position. We are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4th position, pas de bourrée forward, 4th position, and 1, 2, 3 pirouette en dehors from 4th position. That ends in 4th position long, facing the right diagonal. So we finish in 5th position, right leg in front, and we are going to do 1 pirouette, 2 pirouettes, and the 3rd pirouette you can even do 2 or 3 pirouettes within the rhythm of the music, okay? Now, if you prefer to turn to the right or to the left, then you will have to adjust the positions. If we finish with right leg in front, I would recommend you to do with your left leg coup de pied in front and do pirouettes to the left, finish to the 4th position facing left diagonal, and with that left leg, pas de bourrée forward, change to fourth position, pirouette under to the left side, fourth position that ends facing the left diagonal. I'm going to do this phrase again for you. I'm going to demonstrate it to the right side, but you can be trying to the right or to the left just to make sure which side you prefer, okay? Let's do it together. And for your pirouettes, we are going to use arms coordination, right? So we finish fifth position, right leg in front, arms in third position, plie. One pirouette, two pirouette, three pirouette, fourth position, pas de bourrée forward, change to fourth position, double pirouette, fourth position, facing either diagonal, and that's it. And now that we know the whole first phrase, let's learn arms coordination. For the day that you're going to dance this variation, you're going to be wearing a dress or a long skirt, like a romantic skirt. So if you have one at home, grab it. I do not have one right now, but I'm gonna do my best to help you. So from that classical pose, with the music, arms on allongé, we are going to hold a skirt with left arm, a skirt with right arm, and we are going to bow. Yeah, one more time. Arms on allongé, hold the skirt, and bow. Okay, let's keep moving forward. I'm holding a skirt with my hands, and with the music we do the double holding a skirt, double holding a skirt, the first hoop, first allongé. So it goes skirt, first arm, allongé. Effacé, and we go hoop, 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 tombe, and from that tombe we go brava, first, fifth position, arms on allongé, pas de bourrée, plie. And we are going to look towards our hands open. So we do from the hoops, skirt, first, allongé, tombe, brava, first, fifth, plie. First position, and open. And we are going to repeat the same to the other side. Take the skirt again, and double, skirt, first, allongé, tombe, brava, first, fifth, pas de bourrée, and look to the right. And hold your skirt, double, a skirt, first, open, tombe, brava, first, fifth, plie, pas de bourrée, and stay. Pirouette we are going to do in first position, double, fourth, brava, first, third position, 1, 2, 3, pose. Let's do everything from the beginning, and this time, first phrase, arms coordination. Arms on allongé, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, and 1, ta 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 tan tan taran 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 tan tan. Open, skirt, ta 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 ta, and skirt, first allongé, tombe, développé, and 1, 2, pose. Last time. Again, ta 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 tan 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 taran 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 tan tan. Pirouettes. Turururum, turururum, taran tan 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 taran. Second phrase, from that fourth position, we are going to open right leg to the side, pas de bourrée, coup de pied, plie, pas de bourrée, coup de pied. Yeah, let's do that one more time. So this pas de bourrée from second position with legs straight. From this fourth position, we are going to open petit développé with right leg. Now my left legs go back, open in front, and with right leg on the back, we are going to do coup de pied, plie, and repeat again the same. Left leg to the back, open second position, right leg in front, coup de pied. Yeah? Let's do it faster. Fourth position, petit développé, pas de bourrée, coup de pied, plie, pas de bourrée, coup de pied. And from that coup de pied, we are going to open in front. We are going to pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, tendu, attitude. Tendu in front, effacé with right leg, and that right leg goes attitude, and that ends facing the left diagonal in front. Let's do this one more time. Fourth position, petit développé, coup de pied, pas de bourrée, coup de pied, and pas de bourrée dandy, attitude. Okay, so from here, from this attitude, we are going to do pas de bourrée plié, and we repeat the same, moving towards the left side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and run, 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 run to begin. Again, everything from the beginning. And now we're going to do it from the beginning, and we are going to add arms coordination. Right, good pie. Right, left to fifth position. We are going to open and run, 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 run. 1 and 2. Right arm in front and right arm stay on attitude. Fourth position, 5, 6, open right arm and open, pas de bourrée, and open, pas de bourrée, and run, run, dandy, attitude, pas de bourrée, skirt. And now open left, right, open left, right, and run, 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 run. And here we're going to do a small glissade, classical pose. And we are going to repeat everything one more time from the beginning. Third and last phrase of this variation. Remember that from here we run, run, run all the way to the back. Small jump, classical pose. Now we are going to repeat again the double frappe, hope, 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 plie. But we are this time not going to do développé to the side. From here we are going to do pas de bourrée en face. Fourth position, we are going to do 2, 3, 4 pirouettes. That ends in fourth position, and we are going to repeat from me here. Double, double, attitude, passé, développé, plié, and again, pas de bourrée, double pirouette, fourth position. Yeah, so let's do this one more time, and remember that we are going to substitute the développé for a pas de bourrée, multiple pirouettes pose. And we are going to repeat this only 2 times, so let's do it. Ready? Take the skirt, 5, 6, 7 plie, and double, and 1 first allongé, tombé, pas de bourrée, multiple pirouettes, fourth position, skirt, double, double, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, multiple pirouettes, pose. Okay, from fourth position, moving forward to the next part of this phrase, we are going to open right leg to the side. Arms in third position, we are going to do 1 piqué passé, 2 piqué passé, 3 piqué passé, plie right leg in front. We are going to do tan levé, tan levé, tan levé. And we finish with left leg in front, and we are going to repeat to the other side. Slowly this time 1, slowly this time 2, pas de bourrée. Just that. Let's do it one more time. From fourth position, arms go to third and go 1, 2, 3, plie, 1, 2, 3. We are changing the position of feet, so goes left in front, in the back, in front. And now we are going to do the same towards the left side, but rather than doing 3 fast pique, we're going to do 2 a little bit slower. 1, 2, plie. The arms coordination for this part, from the fourth position, this I said it before, third position, and goes 1, 2, 3, plie, hold your skirt, 1, 2, 3, and release the skirt, 1, 2, plie, pas de bourrée, and we are going to do fouettes. So to finish this variation, after that pas de bourrée fourth position, you can either begin with double pirouette, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 fouettes, close with double, fourth position. From here we are going to do pas de chat, pose. Yeah? So the last part of the variation is 8 counts in which you are going to do 4 fouettes and either 3 pirouettes to begin and to close the fouettes before you do a pas de chat for fifth position, final pose. Okay, so let's practice those pirouettes and fouettes. Pas de bourrée, fourth position and double pirouette. 1, 2, 3, close double, 3, 4 pirouette pose. My right leg is on the back and this right leg is the one that's going to do pas de chat, relevé, pose. Okay, so let's do this last phrase from the beginning with arms coordination before we do the whole variation with music and arms coordination. Last phrase, hold your skirt, 5, 6, 7, and open, and double, 1, first allongé, plié, pas de bourrée, double pirouette, fourth position, and hold the skirt, 1, 2, 1, first allongé, tombe, pas de bourrée, and again, double. Now remember, 1, 2, 3, plié, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, pas de bourrée, pose, pirouette, fouette, 3, 4, 5, 6, pas de chat, 7, and 8. And now we are going to do everything from the beginning with legs and arms coordination, but no music yet, okay? Classical pose, arms on allongé. And 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Da ti da ti da ti da ti da dun 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 da dun da dun da dun 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 da 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 dun da dun ba bum da dun 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 da ti da ti da ti da ti da dun. First open, ba dun da dun da dun 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 ti do dun. Tiru tiru dum, da dun 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 dun, da da dun, da da dun, da dun, da dun, da dun dun dun. I think I'm run with the music, da dun, and run to the back, jump and pose. Ready? Da 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 da. First allongé, da da pirouette, and a skirt, pirouettes again. Now there comes the fast piqué. Chan, shan, shan, plié, tan, 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 plié, tan, plié. Footes, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we are going to do it with music, everything from the beginning.